Hey folks, today we're going to talk about head lice. So we'll show you some interesting clips and pictures and give you a few facts along the way. And as a bonus at the end, we'll give you two ordinary everyday words that originally referred to head lice. Head lice are small, wingless, blood-sucking insects. They live in the hair on your head and feed off blood from your scalp. They can't jump, fly, or swim, and don't live on your pets. They can only survive for about 2 days without food, so if you get them, you don't have to burn your couch and replace your entire wardrobe.
They like to start right in here in this area. This is where we see them starting, and there would be 4 to 6 in a little section.
Yeah. A singular one of these critters is called a louse and is about the size of a sesame seed. A louse egg is called a nit and is about the size of a small flake of dandruff and is often mistaken for just that. Between 6 and 12 million kids in the US get head lice each year. Treatment can include using a special comb designed to remove nits and special shampoos, although there are varieties of lice that have become resistant to the shampoos and are referred to as super lice. Ooh. And now those two everyday terms that you may not realize are lice related. The first one is nitpicking, which originally referred to removing louse eggs, but now means to focus on some small or unimportant detail. And the other is lousy, which originally referred to something infested with lice. Well, there you go. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe. We have new content every week. If your head's feeling a bit itchy, you're not the only one. Thanks for watching.
Sometimes I can't sleep, so I take Rest More at night. It helps me fall asleep fast and stay asleep. I need more energy during the day, so I can get more done and feel refreshed. So I take Meta 7 every morning. Rest More is an all-natural sleep formula intended to aid your natural sleep cycle. Meta 7 was developed by Dr. John Gilmore to boost your metabolism. Visit Amazon and try both today.